Hey guys, Hacker the Breakmaster here. Today, Sunkist had kittens. So Mushrooms is gonna show them to me, and I know I haven't done one of these in a while, but I was just wanting to wait and show you the kittens. And yeah. Are they in here? See her? Hi, baby girl. See any kittens? She's trapped under there.
No, she's not. She come out this morning.
Can I let this down?
I don't know.
Why not? Okay, guys. Now we're trying to catch Duke because Mushrooms does not feel secured because she's saying that he is trying to kill the kittens and she's trying to keep a close eye on him. First, I'm going to show you the kittens. There's 4 in total. Hey, Mama. Can I see your kittens again? Alright, so this one's a female. There's another one just like this one.
There you go.
So where's the counter? Okay. There's a female of this one too. I'm not getting all of them. I think this one's a boy. I'm gonna name it Benji if it's a boy, and if the male, the one I just showed you, I'm gonna name it Creamtail. I'll vlog some more once I capture Duke. There he is, right there.
You hungry?
Trying to lure him out of here. Mushrooms don't want him here. Vinny's staying because she's okay with him. Got my eyes on you, Duke. So this is what Duke looks like. We're going to take him to the animal shelter. And here at my house, just going to try and get a good look at him. It stinks in there where he's been. Amos and Arlo want him real bad.
Hey, he's okay.
We caught him. He's a pretty beat up cat. There's Arlo.
You look bad, boy.
Earlier, they were like hissing at him.
Kid's probably scared too now.
He was hissing earlier.
Looks like he's got the mange.
He looks like he's got diseases.
Looks like the
You
mange.
really have to smoke in my face?
Well, it just flew that way. See Arlo run into it. See that? See how it bent?
I can tell he's scared to death. Arlo.
That's gonna be the end.
So here's one of the kittens. It's a boy, and I'm gonna name it Creamtail. Alright, let me put him back in there.
Don't grab it. It's okay. It's okay.
There's 4 in total. And then there's the mama kitty. This reminds me of Choose a Baby. There's 2 creamtail coloreds, 2 gingers. they're both, they're like, you know, like, both colors have different genders. Like, one cream tail's a boy, one cream tail's a girl. You know what I mean, right, Mushrooms?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, we're at the animal shelter. The reason why the kittens look different, because the first part of the video, it was filmed, I think, about 6 days ago. No, he has not. So, we're about to drop off not Cream Tail. He's dead, but, the one. This one's Duke.
Okay.
And, the reason why we brought him here, because we're scared that my cat Sunkist had kittens.
Okay.
And, we're scared he's gonna claw them, kill them, or something like that.
So he doesn't get along with other cats?
No.
Okay. He's a stray that you found outside?
Yes.
Okay. So what you'll just need to do is we'll need to bring him inside, and you'll fill out a card that lets us know that you found him on your property.
Yes.
And we'll get him processed. He's definitely a boy, I can tell that.
I can tell that he's a boy, too.
Yes, because he's sprayed and it smells like boy cat. Definitely not fixed. So.
Could we keep him, Mushrooms? He's better?
I think what we'll do, we'll put him right over here for the time being.
Is it okay to touch him? Or?
I don't know. I haven't looked. I want to give him just a second, and we'll get a stray card that you'll fill out, which you will need to fill out because I don't believe he's 18.
No, I'm not. I just look 18.
And this will be the basic information, just like today's date. We obviously know that he's a boy and that he's a cat. Don't worry about guessing the age. Then just put that he was a stray on your property here and fill out this bottom information. Okay?
She has.
Yeah, I can tell you've been in a couple fights. Huh?
It's like my cat too.
I do believe.
I think it's the. Yeah. The 8. I can't tell if that's Duke or Smaller Cat.
It's not
I
him.
know you hate it.
Alrighty, thank you very much.
And where do you want to, Miranda? Where are we gonna put this cat?
Y'all mind being on video?
They probably don't, but. Now, I just want you to know we do not have a vet on staff. So if he has wounds that we can try to look at them and see.
He does have wounds. I haven't seen him up close yet.
I can't promise that we can provide all the vet care that he will necessarily need, and that could be a problem. Okay, hold on.
He looks weird. He kind of looks like my cat Tom, but instead of the gray, it looks like Tom from Tom and Jerry, but
Right.
I already have a cat named Tom.
Right. Yeah, I know, buddy. This isn't the favorite place to be.
But they're gonna find you a new home.
We will definitely try.
Would it be okay if
I wouldn't necessarily open the door right now because his
No,
first-
like for the.
What?
Dude.
That's
He
why.
could.
That's why. Right. That's why I don't want to open the door because.
I was meaning like sticking my fingers through.
Oh, as long as you don't think he's gonna bite you.
I love you too.
You're a big cat. Says his name's Crush. And it loved me. Reminds me of my Stewie. You remind me of one of my cat Stella. My old cat Stella. Says your name is Flower. Which is a beautiful name for kitty. Wait. You're Casmira. It's right there. Where's old Chuck at?
Hey, beautiful.
Just showing off some cats right here. This one's named Kiwi, domestic short. Oh, that's one of Hayden's cat's names. This one's Glady. Did I say it right? You a little bit. Blue. There she is. What's your name's Nola. Hi. And this one don't have a name. This one's Gracie. Yours is. You don't have a name. It's Twinkie. There's just a bunch of kittens. Shirley. Oh, you're adorable. What's your name? Oxy. Aspen. Ooh. Case. Solid. Oh, that's you. Lola. Oh, this little cat's named some cats in Christian County Animal Shelter. It's just some kid. It's just some kids being bad, guys. I'm just gonna say some bye to Duke.
I'll miss you.
Matthew, I'm sorry. Get out of there.
So we just dropped off Duke, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this one, comment down below, and please adopt some cats at the Christian County Regional Animal Shelter. And please like, comment, and subscribe to Heckaloos the Breakmaster Films 014.